You generated your store with AI or used a basic template and it looks good right out of the gate. But what if you want to take it to the next level, make it look even more premium, more custom, more like something an agency would charge thousands to build? Good news, you've already got access to over 40 premium theme sections built right into Vitals. And you can use them to upgrade your store's look whenever you want. If you've used Vitals to generate your store, it already uses some of these theme sections by default. Things like value icons, FAQ sections, decorative borders, and simple image and text layouts. These give your store a professional foundation. But there are way more options available. Want to create urgency with a countdown timer? There's a section for that. Want to showcase videos instead of just images? Done. Want a more dynamic overlapping image layout instead of the basic one? Easy. So let me show you how to access these sections and walk you through adding a few of them. First, go to the Vitals app in the left sidebar. Then click on Theme Sections. This is where you'll see all 40 plus premium sections available. You've got content sections, product showcases, media-driven sections, testimonials, timers, comparisons, tons of options. Let's start by adding a countdown time banner section. This is perfect for creating urgency and driving faster purchase decisions. Click on the section to view it and then click Install on my theme. That's it. The section is now available in your Shopify theme editor. So let's access it and see. I'm currently on the homepage, but you can add these sections to any page, product pages, collection pages, wherever you want. Click Add Section and you'll see it listed here, or just search for it. Now, let's customize it a little bit. All settings appear on the right, and you get settings for the entire section and for each individual part of that section. See, we have a heading, a description, and a countdown timer. For the overall settings, you can choose the timer's position, its alignment, as well as the overall background color. So let's make it stand out a little bit more. The heading and description have the same options too, obviously. Change the text, but also its size, color, and font if you want it to stand out a bit more. You can also set the countdown end date and time, let's say 48 hours from now. You can change the timer size, adjust the colors to match your brand, customize the text that appears with the countdown, and even automatically hide it when the timer ends. But the timer is currently at the bottom of the page and there's no use for it there. I want it more at the top, which is as simple as dragging and dropping. There you go. I'll save that. And now you've got a professional countdown timer on your homepage creating urgency for your sale. This is the kind of feature people pay extra for. Alright, next up, let's upgrade one of the image sections. The store uses a simple image and text layout by default, which works fine. But let's swap it for something more visually dynamic, the image and text overlap section. I already have it installed, so let's go back to the theme editor and work on the product page theme. I'm gonna add the section and place it below the current one to have a side-by-side comparison while I tweak it. Now, let's customize it. First, you can select the aspect ratio of the images, whether they are portrait, landscape, or square, and their order, which one should stay on top and which should be in the forefront. You can also add borders to the images, but I prefer the cleaner look with that one. Now upload your images. You can select static ones from the list, upload new ones, and even generate new ones with AI. But this being a product page, each product should show their own specific images. And for that, you need to use a dynamic tag. So click this button and choose from one of these options. I'll go featured image for this one and key benefits section for the other. Now, each product page will show that product's images instead of having the same static ones. Then add your text. This section is perfect for highlighting promotions or telling a story because the overlapping layout draws more attention than a basic side-by-side. I can adjust the text position, change the colors, modify the spacing. Everything is customizable. And like before, each block comes with its own settings that you can play around with. Now I'm gonna hide the basic image and text section. Save that and look at the difference. Way more dynamic and eye-catching than the basic version. But you can take this a step further with video and text sections. Video is huge for engagement, and this section makes it super easy to showcase product demos or tutorials. So let's add it to your page in the theme editor. Now you can either upload a video file, add a dynamic link if you have one, or paste a YouTube or Vimeo link. I'm gonna use a YouTube link for a product demo. I paste it, and the video appears. You can adjust the aspect ratio, set a custom thumbnail, choose whether the video autoplays. All the settings are right here. Then add your text next to the video. Maybe a quick summary of what the video shows and a call to action. Again, you can customize the layout, the colors, the spacing to match your store. And you're done. Now you've got professional video content right on your page. Just one more quick one, dividers. These are simple but super effective for visually separating sections and making your page easier to scan. You can add it between two sections on your page and customize the style. You can make it a simple line, add some spacing, change the color, whatever works for your design. Save that, and your page instantly looks more organized and polished. Here's what you need to know. If you're using AI or a template for your store, that gives you a professional foundation. But these 40+ theme sections let you take it even further. Create urgency with timers, showcase videos, upgrade your layout, add visual polish with dividers, and so on. The kind of design elements agencies charge thousands for, you just click, customize, and add them yourself. So go explore those theme sections and make your store look exactly how you want it. Premium design, zero coding required.